Mamshi. So, our dinner for tonight is meatballs. Opo. So, ganito po ako magluto ng meatballs, guys. Hindi ko na pinakita yung whole process. Ito na lang yung finished product. Napakasarap po niyan. And, the reason why ganito ang pagluto ko, kasi si Eden, ay favorite niya ang carrots. So, carrots is always, always staring, laging first sa lahat ng dish na kung niluluto for now, guys. So, inobin ko lang po to siya. So, a little bit burn, yes, kasi ayoko siyang i-fry. Pero luto na po yan, okay? Mukha lang siyang, tail. Pero luto na po yan. Hindi ko po siya dinamihan ng, tawag nito, tomato sauce because ayoko ng maasim. At si Eden ayaw din ng maasim. He doesn't like sour like me. So, Eden is his literally like mother and son like that. Like mother, like son, like mother, like that. So guys, napaka-perfect na po yung lasa niya. Super the best po yung lasa niya. Sobrang malasa kasi nga po, it's all meat. And yung meat po, nilagyan ko po yan ng vegetables. Aside from dito sa vegetables na to, nilagyan ko po siya ng vegetables. Yes, my love. Yes, it's almost done. And then,